Hello, brewery leaders. Let me take a few minutes and demonstrate for you what a modern analytics program would look like. Then you can think through how that might benefit you above what your current system is. First, before I do the show and tell, let me just walk you through a few of the basic steps to get data out of your source systems and into the analytics dashboards that we're about to look at. The first step there is we need to extract the data and bring it out of those source systems. So as a brewery, you probably have 4 or 5 or 6 different systems that you transact with on any given day. You might have your point of sale system, your wholesale, financial, brewery management, maybe marketing, HR, all these different systems that have little parts of your data in different spots. We're going to get all that data out of those systems. Once we get it down, what we're going to do is we're going to enhance it. So this might be combining two pieces of data together. So for example, we take your wholesale data and we combine that with your point of sale data to give you a holistic view of your customer demand. We might add extra dimensions. So let's say we wanted to group some of your customers into either regions or other types of groupings. We could do the same with your peers. Ultimately, what we're trying to do is get your data. We want to enhance it. We want to clean it and combine it so it's super usable in analytics. And then what we do is we upload it into the Tableau Cloud, is the data visualization software that we'll look at in a second. Once that data is up there, then all these different dashboards can hit it, and they're updated as that underlying data is updated as well. And ideally, all of these processes from extracting, transforming, and loading this data happen with no or very little human involvement. It's basically just systems talking to each other. So as I walk through the next part of this demonstration, kind of think through how you guys get to data today and what this would be able to provide for your team. So first of all, let's assume that processes that I just described have already happened. So maybe it's 6 a.m. We've already extracted data out of your source systems, we've enhanced it, and we've prepared it in Tableau. So first thing in the morning as you get up and turn on the computer or look at it on your cell phone is you're going to see some information that Tableau has pushed directly out to you. So this would be in the form of a subscription. We can do this a few different ways. One is we could just set it up on a schedule. So on the one on the left, maybe that's the master weekly dashboard that you get once a week on Monday mornings. And that gives you all sorts of great information on what happened the previous week. You'll notice there's also a PDF attached. So if you wanted to print it and post it up in your brewery, you could certainly do that. Or if you wanted to print it just to make some notes, you could do that as well. The one on the right is more of an alert form. So this is going to be if something hit a certain threshold or condition within the system, Tableau is going to immediately send out an email notifying people that that condition was reached. So you don't necessarily have to go in and be looking at these things every single day to pick up these insights. If there's something critical, we'll set up an alert and it'll notify you right when that happens. Okay, so now let's actually get in the system and do some live demonstration. So the first thing you might do as you log into Tableau in the morning is land on this landing page. So there's all sorts of great information here, as you can see. I'll just slowly scroll down through here. What this is going to show is every dashboard you have access to. So you can see we have some demand dashboards up at the top here. Next, we're going to look at finance. We have some operations, marketing, and HR. And we could really build this out with everything that you guys would need to track. There's a few cool features on here. One is not only can you see everything, you get a little description of it. It's extremely easy to navigate from one to the other. So all you have to do is click on one of these images, and it's going to right away pop up that actual dashboard within Tableau. Cool. So here it is, just a few clicks of the mouse to get to this point. Another thing that's, I think, very helpful is if you needed a little bit more information on one of these. If you click this little info icon, you'll see now it's going to navigate to the website. Where you're going to get a video. The video walks you through the different features of that dashboard. It's going to give you a few actual use cases on how to get information out of there, and then get you a little bit more detail down here. So just a really nice way to keep everything nice and organized right in front of you. You don't have to go try to remember where things are saved and go find them. It's all right here on the screen. I'm going to dive into this master dashboard because this shows a lot of information and a lot of the power of the system. So as this is rendering, you're going to notice we have, I'll slowly scroll down through here. And this might be something that you get once a week. And it's really going to be your 30,000 foot snapshot of the health and different aspects of your business. So first up, we have some information on customer demand. So that's obviously real important, right? As I'm scrolling through there, you'll see here's an inventory section. Here's a section on all your different transactions and activities. Next, we'll look up at some financial statement information. We have some stuff related to your balance sheet. We have taproom traffic next. Finally, marketing, and then stuff related to HR and your team. So pretty cool, right? This is taking information out of probably 6 different systems and preparing it all in a single point of view for you to really get that holistic view of your business. And to show you the additional power of this type of system is, let's say you found something in sales demand on a beer and you wanted to really deep dive into that some more. You could click on this little icon here. And what it's going to do is it's going to take you right to the sales or demand section. And then we said we wanted to deep dive a beer. So we're just going to click on that dashboard also. Cool. So right away, now we're on our beer deep dive dashboard. I'm not going to go through everything on here on this video, but we have others that would do that. So, you could do the basic functions like you can filter on different types of beer. Let's say it was your hazy you wanted to dive into some more, or maybe your pale. So we'll just see a few examples of the dashboard rendering there. And then again, if you were on here and you kind of forgot exactly what it's doing or how you want to use it, all you have to do is click the icon. Again, it's going to take you right back to the website where you get the video and more explanation there. So super user friendly. So before I move off the demo, I just wanted to scroll back through this so you can see, again, a few of the examples of what data you could get to with just a few clicks of the mouse every single day. This would be ready for you, all aspects of your business. And again, we can add more as it makes sense or as you have access to other systems. So that was pretty cool, right? All of those different insights right at your fingertips. Just imagine what life would be like in your brewery if you had access to these different capabilities, all the great decision-making and improvements in performance that you guys would have. So I know I went through that pretty quickly, but I would be more than happy to answer any questions you might have, do a deeper dive with a demo. Maybe we could even do a proof of concept using some of your own data so you can see how that looks in these analytic systems. So please contact me and I'd love to chat with you further and hopefully be able to create a partnership. So here's to running your brewery with precision and passion, all powered by data and analytics. Cheers.